Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of subscription boxes out there, some product reviews, a little bit of trouble and adventure at times, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. At the end of the video, please make sure that you like the video. It helps my channel a lot. And with that said, if you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back. We will be unboxing the Chingona box, which in English is the badass box. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the box immediately. On the description down below, I will leave you guys links, coupons, and a brief description of what the box is all about. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. I love how they this month, this is for the month of August. I don't know if I already said that. How they change their boxes. Look how pretty. If you have watched the previous videos, the box was super pretty as well, but this one is like, I am loving this look. So pretty. So here we go. It's always, every month it comes beautifully packaged. So pretty, just the way this one is. And for this month they are doing the FRIDA edition. So this is my information card. Each box comes with an information card, and it lists the participating brands of the items that are going to be inside your box. Okay, so here we have we have a few here. It comes with this pretty sticker here as well. So this will be nice for a gift as well. So pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, this box is full of goodies. That's one thing, guys. This box is always full of goodies. I love receiving this box every month. So here we have a sticker, and it's from Calo Coffee, and it says, "I love you more than my own coffee." Next up, we have a FRIDA sticker. Here we go. Okay. Next up, we have a keychain. Ooh, this is so cute. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this is so cute, guys. And most of this stuff, guys, is handmade. So this is why makes me love this box even more, because we are helping small businesses, we're helping women-owned businesses and all that. So pretty. I love that. I'm trying to see what if I have any other information about them. We have the sticker. Okay, we don't. But I believe this is a gift from them. And next up, ooh, we have the matching socks. Look how pretty. So the socks actually are going to be from Amorcitos. Oh, I love everything that comes from her store. Everything is super cute. And these are the socks. Ooh, the socks are so pretty. I will be wearing socks even though it's summer. My house, I have central air and it's always cold in here. So I always have socks. So I love receiving socks. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is from Amor Beauty Shop, and this is a FRIDA hair clip, guys. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Super pretty. I love it. I love all the details from the picture. It's so pretty. Love it. And then next up we have, this is going to be, these are some FRIDA greeting cards, and this is from Hug Kiss Kiss. So it's just one. I don't know why I said cards with an S. So it's just one greeting card. And it says here, Eres Chingona. You are badass. Okay, then next up, ooh, how pretty is this? What is this? This is like it's like a patch. Yeah, so this is from Artes Luna, And it's a special edition large FRIDA patch. Oh my god, I have so many white t-shirts. I can attach this to. This is so pretty. Oh, wait until I post it. Guys, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, my subscription obsession, because there I post pictures, I post other product, skincare product reviews, makeup reviews. I post more detailed information about the boxes, so some giveaways, so make sure that you are following me there. And then here, guys, this is going to be a wood FRIDA frame. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. And it's like a painting. This is like a canvas underneath, so it's not a sticker. Super pretty, guys. I really love the box. Look at all the goodies that I received. All this. So pretty. And all this. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys with a different unboxing video soon. Bye, guys.